today we're gonna race the Roombas and see who gets home first.
So we got some critiquing from our last video because we did not start them all at the same time.
Yeah.
So this time we recruited some help from Aaron, and we are going to start them all at the same time and see who can get home the fastest. So Wyatt, can you tell us what we have again? Which kind of room is it?
iRobot Roomba i3 plus the iRobot Roomba 690, the Shark iRobot 750, and the Eufy G30.
Okay, so we are going to start all 4 of them at the same time and see who gets to the charging station first.
Okay.
All right, ready? 3, 2, 1, go. Is it still going to be the Roomba? The Roomba got there first. Shark got their second. The Plus got their third. And the Eufy was last place. So once again, we have the exact same results.
Yeah.
Good job, guys.
Yeah.